Today we are going to learn how to delete your Instagram account. You need to place on the profile, go to 3 lines here, then place on account center, scroll down here to manage accounts, then here you place on Instagram, your Instagram account, you place on Instagram, then deactivation and deletion, then the first part is for deactivating, then the second part is for deleting the account. Then you place on deletion or delete the account, then continue. Then here they are saying your Instagram account info or information will be deleted. Once you place on continue, your account will be deleted. So that's all about deleting the Instagram account. Thanks for watching.